Last time, bumili ako ng tofu and I decided na kailangan ko na siyang lutuin bago ma-expire. So, I have here a mix of cornstarch, garlic powder, some ground black pepper, and asin. So, yun lang. Dapat ihalo-halo siya hanggang maging well combined. Nahiwa ko na pala yung tofu. So, nilagyan ko lang sila nung mix ng dry ingredients para ma-coat sila well before ko sila iprito. Mahaba-habang proseso yung ginawa ko sa pagluluto nito but it's worth it. Kino-coat ko yung tofu kanina, pinainit ko na pala yung oil. Para pagkatapos kong i-coat yung tofu is ifa-fry ko na sila agad. And ayan, they're so crispy. Ang ganda, diba? If you're wondering bakit ang laki ng hiwa ng tofu ko, baka isipin nyo this is for tofu sisig. Pero iba yung recipe na gagawin ko for today. O diba, tingnan nyo yan, parang chicharon lang. Okay, next step. On a preheated pan with oil, ilalagay o gigisa ko yung spring onions. Ayan, si As usual, si Manang, can I help you? Sige, go.